Will a patent make money? That's a question that every inventor has, and most inventors don't want to file for patent protection unless they think they've got a reasonable shot at making money off their invention and any resulting patent. That's perfectly logical. I understand it completely. A lot of inventors, however, feel that the only thing that's important to their making money off an invention is if it's a good product. And that's, my experience has been that's just not true. So I'm going to give you the four attributes of a successful inventor, at least from what I've seen. So the first is being well funded. If you have enough money to do some good R&D to develop your product, and you have the money to put up a good website and to pay for the trade show booth, pay for the hotels and the food and the transportation getting there, pay for quite a few trade show booths, because the more you get your invention out there, the better chance you're going to get of having somebody who's interested in licensing or manufacturing that product see your product. So the first thing is being well funded. The second thing is tenacity. If you're an inventor and you think that all you have to do is come up with a good invention, put a patent on it, and Bill Gates or Elon Musk or Warren Buffett is going to be flying around on a helicopter and they got suitcases full of $10 million and they just chuck them out the window at everybody who gets a patent on a good invention, you are going to fail. You're just going to be throwing your money away, because that's not the way it works. You need to be tenacious. The first time you hear no, that means no from this person at that company today. Maybe there's another person at the company. Maybe you need to approach them another time. Maybe you need to get your sales pitch down a little bit better. Selling an invention, it's kind of like if you got a used car for sale. You can park it on the street with a sign on it. You can put it on the internet. But if you park that used car in your garage and you just hope that someone's going to drive by, knock on your door and say, hey, do you happen to have a used car in your garage? I'm looking for a used car. It's never going to happen. So you got to be tenacious. Third attribute is good luck. And I find that those with tenacity make their own good luck. You'd be amazed how many of my inventors have made money. And the main reason they made money is because of good luck in finding the right person at the right time. You know, sitting next to the right person on a plane, sitting next to the right person in a bar, sitting near somebody at a baseball game. These are all ways I've seen people make money. And it doesn't have to do with the quality of the invention or their tenacity. It just happens to be in the right place at the right time. The last attribute is having a good invention. If your invention doesn't work, it's not going to make much money because it doesn't work. But just having a good invention isn't enough. So again, if you're an inventor and you want to succeed, look at these four things and try to get as many on your side as possible. Maybe don't start the process until you're well funded. Have some tenacity to see the process through to the end. Make your own good luck and then have a good product. And if you have all four of those attributes, you've got a pretty good chance of succeeding. If you only have one of them and you only have a good product, that's probably not enough unless you happen to get really lucky. Thanks for watching.